Hi, my name is Bahram. I'm a qualified and a registered cognitive behavior hypnotherapist, and I wanted to share something with you regarding self hypnosis and its benefits and how you can use it. Bear in mind, this is a very general self hypnosis and it's not recommended for everyone. And this is just the basis of knowing how you can do this if you are comfortable with self hypnosis. So, did you know that you can train your mind to be calmer, more focused, and less stressed just by using self hypnosis? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how self hypnosis works step by step so you can use it for relaxation, confidence, and mental clarity. But first, a quick disclaimer: self hypnosis is a powerful technique, but it's not for everyone. This video is for educational purposes only and shouldn't be used as a substitute for professional therapy. If you have a mental health condition, consult a qualified therapist before attempting self hypnosis. So, what exactly happens during self hypnosis? Unlike what you have seen in movies, hypnosis isn't mind control. It's a natural state of focused awareness and deep relaxation. Think of it like being so absorbed in the book or a movie that you have tuned out of the world all around you. When you practice self hypnosis, you guide yourself into this state deliberately using relaxation techniques, breathing, and focused suggestions to shift your mindset. Scientific studies have shown that hypnosis can reduce stress, improve sleep, and even help with pain management. Now, let's walk through how to practice self hypnosis step by step. Number one, you find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie as you're comfortable. However, it's more comfortable for you. You can sit or lie position. Choose a trigger word like calm, relax, happy, safe, and you repeat this throughout the session. Breathe deeply. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 6 seconds. Keep doing this until you become very relaxed and very calm and take all the stuff that is around you away. Just get into that state. Keep breathing until you feel very relaxed. Once you have done that, close your eyes and imagine a peaceful scene like a beach or a soft glowing light or anything that is a peaceful scene for you. Then, next stage is progressively relax your body. You start from your feet and move upwards, releasing all tensions. So you start from your toes, your ankles, your calves, your thighs. Any tension you have, you release it. So you tense up and you release. You tense, you release. All the way up. As you do this, then you use affirmations like I am calm, in control, or I feel peaceful and strong, or I am happy and safe. Deepen the experience by visualizing yourself walking down 10 steps, feeling more relaxed with each step. Stay in this state for a few minutes before you gently bringing yourself back up, counting from 1 to 5. You can repeat this again and again, and it takes time, and you need to be consistent, and you need to repeat this over and over every day, a few minutes here and there. So take a deep breath, relax completely, close your eyes, imagine you're in a peaceful place, whatever peaceful place is for you. Okay? Once you have done that, you progressively relax your body, starting from your feet and move upwards. How you do that? By releasing tension. As I said, you tense up those areas, let's say your toes, you tense it, hold for a few seconds, and let go. Do the same thing, move it all the way up. Your chest, your neck, your face, everywhere, do the same thing. Tense up and let go. Tense up and let go. And use the affirmations like I am calm, I am in control, I feel peaceful and strong, I feel happy and safe. Visualize yourself walking, again, as I said, down 10 steps, feeling more relaxed with each step. Stay in the state for a few minutes before gently bringing yourself back by counting from 1 to 5. To get the best results from self hypnosis, practice consistently. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Forcing results too quickly. Hypnosis is about allowing, not controlling. You negative self-talk. Your mind absorbs what you repeat. So keep the affirmations positive. Keep your visualizations positive as you affirm positively. Skip Don't skip the relaxation steps because they are the most important part. Self hypnosis works best when your body is deeply relaxed first. So relax, calm yourself. If you're not in that state, give it a little while, then try again. Just the important point is to make sure you are absolutely relaxed and calm without any distractions. Once that is done, then you go through the steps as I explained earlier. The research has shown that self hypnosis can lower stress hormones, improve focus, and even help people manage weight. Studies from Harvard and Stanford universities have found that hypnosis actually changes brain activity, helping people shift into a more focused, receptive state. Self hypnosis is a great tool for anyone who wants to manage stress, improve sleep, or boost confidence. However, as I said, it may not be suitable for people with severe anxiety, dissociated, dissociative disorders, or unresolved trauma. If you are unsure, always check with a professional first. I always offer a free 30 minutes consultation without any obligations. So if you have any questions, make sure you let me know in the comment section or drop me an email. All of my socials and my contact details are available on the site. So there you have it, self hypnosis in simple step by step guide. And just remember, this is a very general self hypnosis. Most people use this the way they feel comfortable, following the steps as I explained earlier. Get comfortable, don't get distracted by anything around you. Take a few deep breaths. For some people, it takes longer, shorter. So, as soon as you've done that, visualize, release those tensions, affirm positively, and just go through those steps. Just make sure you're ready. So if you found this helpful, make sure that you like this video and subscribe for more tips on mental mastery and relaxation techniques. If you've tried self hypnosis, let me know, leave a comment. I'd love to hear about you from your experience. And thank you once again. And please do share your comments and your experience in this. And if there's anything new you want to go through, I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Many thanks and all the blessings.